Now, data mesh actually questions the core philosophy of this evolution. I tell you how. Basically, in this evolution, what has stayed or what has remained constant is that need of centralized data. Okay. So centralized data managed by a data team, set of people who would be managing these data warehouses or data lake. And then different business functions will connect to this particular team for their data needs. So these are different domains. These are different. So sales, marketing, warranty, manufacturing, finance, payroll, whatever. Every company has different domains. Everyone has to come to the centralized data team for access, for getting the data, for getting the insights. These are your data engineers, your data analysts sitting at a centralized team. And generally, that's why your data analytics and BI teams used to work as a horizontal team sitting across different functions. This has been a traditional structure. But data mesh questions this because data mesh feels that these domains know their problems, these domains know what kind of data they need and also how quickly they need it. And generally, this centralized data team will not have that level of domain excellence to understand quickly and bring those insights quickly to these domains. So instead of this centralized structure, data mesh advocates a decentralized way of managing your data, which is the core philosophy of data mesh. So we'll understand that. But to understand that, what are the challenges? Challenge is this: centralized data team creates a bottleneck in your whole data delivery. And data mesh says that you should have decentralized domain based analytics, data analytics. That's their core principle.